Hey guys, so today I have a really exciting product and this is SJCAM's SJ6 Ultra. And what's amazing about this product is that what's inside the box is $100.
Yay!
Have you recently seen an action camera that's $100? So I'm going to show you all about what this is capable of and whether you want to get this budget-friendly camera for your upcoming summer vacation. And this camera can definitely go underwater as well. So right now on SJCAM's official website, you can get the exclusive bundle SJ6 Ultra camera with underwater case, everything in this box, an M4 external wireless microphone, and 32GB micro SD card. All in a bundle. You will get 20% off right now. So don't forget to check out the link after watching this video.
Inside the box there is a camera, frame mount, waterproof case, lens protective cover, curved and flat mount, base mount, adapters, 3M adhesive stickers, a thumb screw, and a wipe cloth. Depending on the bundle you get, you may get M4 wireless microphone and a retractable selfie stick.
By the way, the selfie stick that comes from SJCAM is actually really long, 120 centimeters. It's extremely long, such a tiny camera. So what I normally do is I just carry it like this. This is totally sufficient at arm's length. This is the arm's length, and the frame that you get actually looks really nice. It's a wide angle at 166-degree field of view. So at the arm's length, you get a really nice frame of your selfie vlog. So hey guys, so you guys are hearing me from M4 wireless microphone. You are seeing me through SJCAM SJ6 Ultra camera.
While the 4K footage from SJ6 Ultra was actually really beautiful in the summer's day, I was actually walking by the trees with lots of cicadas, and it's the cicada season right now, so I can hardly hear myself talking. To really show you how M4 wireless microphone works, so I'm just gonna add a clip from a few months back to show you actually the performance of M4 wireless microphone is good.
Okay, so you are right now hearing me from the M4 microphone. And right now, the microphone I'm using is the M4 wireless microphone here. And I actually checked out, I tested previously, and it works really, really well, despite, the microphone being exposed to the wind.
When I was self-vlogging, the feature that I really loved is the dual screen. The camera has 2-inch rear touchscreen for easy navigation and a 1.3-inch front screen for selfies. So to go back and forth between the dual screens, all I need to do is long press the shutter button. As you can see, the dual screen is so helpful in vlogging. I was impressed with the 4K resolution quality of SJ6 Ultra. The color is very good, it's crystal clear, I can really see all these beautiful clouds. Even here, the cat looks nice, you can really see the details of the fur. And in a slightly darker environment like indoor and shaded areas, the image quality and the color were good.
So right now is a freaking hot day and I definitely deserve a really nice cold drink. So let's go.
And here is another indoor environment, taking video of the art in the LCD screen, and the footage came out really well. And let me also show you there is 60 frames per second at 2K resolution. And here is the slow motion in action at 2K resolution, 60 frames per second.
SJ6 Ultra, being an action camera, it has voice control. I can take photo, I can also stop recording with voice control. Take photo. Video start. Video start. So voice control, take photo, video start work really well. Video stop, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. By then you want to stop the video, so that's probably fine. So such voice control feature would be really handy, if you want to take the action camera into some action. So I have this SJCAM chest mount. So if you're looking for a decent chest mount, then do check out in the website of SJCAM. And with SJCAM, I put on the action mount on. So everything is mounted here and I'll just clip it in. Yep. It's a hot day, so I definitely want a little hat on. Actually, a big hat on. Okay, this shot is probably not the best for me to put on the chest mount. But sort of here we go. And I'll show you what the 4K footage will look like with this setup.
Okay, the angle was not the best, but let me try it again on another bike ride. And here it is at a better angle. See if you like to use this camera for your smooth action. With waterproof case, which is included in the box, you can go up to 30 meters underwater. So here I just went into a shallow depth, but you can see that it is completely waterproof. The water was a bit murky due to the rain the day before, but you can see the SJ6 Ultra has no problem capturing these little tiny beautiful fish, and with a waterproof case included in the box, you can take it to your water activity in the summer. And I'll quickly share with you my favorite way to vlog with SJCAM.
Actually, my favorite setup is like this. The mount and the selfie stick, which means you have a little protection at the corner, and also you can change the angle as you wish. So you can really make use of this long selfie stick and get even wider framing like this.
I was rather impressed with the photo quality of SJ6 Ultra. 20 megapixel photos are beautiful and it works well even in a darker indoor environment. Inside SJ6 Ultra, there are many different features such as video, photos which I've shown you guys plenty, timer photo, burst photo, live streaming, dash cam mode, grabs from video, slow motion, time-lapse video.
So I've actually had several days of exploring with this camera and I've been surprised at what this little camera can do. And also the most amazing thing is that this camera does not hurt your bank account. So definitely do check out the link down below for the exclusive deal that's going on right now. And I'll be back with other interesting gadget review. So see you!